How the man wouldn't do no. Oh, Bessie with Rani. I send Bana, I got them man, Olorundu G Alani, the IG, Noria, and of course the federal government in Noria, and the CP, IMO State in Noria, and also the government of IMO State, Noro, about this matter. Agmacho, can we get as brief as possible? Okay. My
brother also, now 2018, I was from Nigerian. After DSS came on over West, and the young man Obaran at the land, the Boss and Bar Limited, Obaran line in 2018. I'm into real estate. So Obaran Majuaya, see a Koyengeri Kikereji Bana Alam Nzo, Yasuno Rocha Sokorocha, the allocation paper. Monsieur Rocha Sema writes, you were Alam for the same purpose. So, my report on OCD. OCD are their main invite. Say, I will take their location paper, engineer the place. The young man abandoned the land and run away. So, Ngabaya Kukwana Court, High Court, IMO State High Court. Abaya was served via all the necessary documents. Even in Abuja Court gave an order. Now I serve via through national newspaper. I serve via one will respond to the court. I won't go more there. So court to give judgment in my favor.
Can we see the judgment related to your time?
Look at the judgment.
Okay, this is the judgment.
Yes.
Okay, in the High Court of IMO State of Nigeria, in the High Court of Owerri Judicial Division, holding at Owerri, before His Lordship, Honorable Justice Elusi Azwama, this Wednesday, 19th day of March, 2025. Suit number High Court of Owerri /307/2024. Between AG Kenwachuku, plaintiff and applicant, and the Ball and the Bar Limited defendants. Yes. Okay, go and hold the plaintiff on where?
Yes.
Continue, sir.
So, after the judgment, execution was done in the execution paper was here. After the execution, look at the execution.
Okay, this is the execution paper.
Yes.
Okay, report of execution. We, the bailiff, High Court of Owerri, carried out an execution of judgment order of court in suit number HOW/307/2025 on this day, 19th day of May 2025, between AG Kenwachuku, judgment creditor, Ball and Bar Limited, judgment debtor, in Okohia land, Umoyo Irete, or West LGA, IMO State. All right.
Thank you. So, after the execution, we started the work, the Boss and Bar surfaced, and went and filed a fresh process for court to set aside the judgment, and went and brought a document from police saying that police gave him that place to build for police scheme. Now, and the court dismissed the.
He didn't appear during the court session.
Yes.
Then after the judgment, he appeared. That it was the police that he was building for. Okay.
And when he filed with the document given to him by police, and the document is saying PF 18, Owerri Onitsha Road. Okay. Not along DSS Road. Okay. To show you that they went and brought a document belonging to the PF 18, Mopo 18. Okay. That is facing Onitsha Road, opposite industrial plot. And
the one you are contesting is not PF 18.
Oh, PF 18. I don't have any business with PF 18. Okay. PF 18 is fence facing Onitsha Road. Okay. And he went and brought the document saying that he signed agreement with police in 2019. And whereas he entered my land in 2018. So I am asking, is it after entering my land he went and signed an agreement? And attached here, you will see a document. Court dismissed that process. Okay. Court dismissed the process. The judgment is here. The dismissal is here. Okay.
That is, this was done on this Thursday, 6th day of November 2025. Okay, court order. Upon reading through the two motion on notice filed on 17/6/2025, respectively brought pursuant to section 6/6, paragraph B and section 36 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1990 as amended, and order 64, rule 2 of the IMO State High Court of rules for an order of Honorable Court staying the execution of judgment of the Honorable Court delivered on 19th day of March 2025, pending determination of appeal in this suit. Another 9 rule 6 of the High Court rules of evil. Another, okay, setting aside is the fault. Okay, this judgment didn't agree to the setting aside, right?
Yes.
And here it says it is hereby ordered as follows: that this application as herein consolidated are hereby dismissed with cost of 100. Is this 100,000 against the applicant?
Yes.
Okay, against Ball and the Bar Limited. Okay.
So, upon this dismissal, the police, the OC legal said, yes, they won't allow me to enter my land.
So, police is now coming after the judgment of the court.
The court, saying that the land belongs to them. And upon the police saying that they own the land, I went and brought evidence to show the man that claimed that police gave him the proper land to build for police, who have started selling police property.
Wow.
The documents is here.
Wow.
The man has sold 2 plots. Look at the...
Oh, the man has sold 2 plots. In the land, he said that the police gave him to build for them. Yes. And these are the people, statement of accused person.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
From the man.
Okay.
And the proof of payment is here.
Okay. How many of them? 2 of them.
Yes. They paid 20 million to Zenith Bank. Look
wow,
at the
wow. Okay. Wonderful. So the man sold the land that the same police gave him to pay for.
And in that agreement with the police, they nowhere that the police stated that they gave the man authority to sell.
Okay.
To sell police property. You can see that police is doing land grabbing. So they want to take my land and share the land. And I am telling you the threat from the police, the OC Legal, the OC Works, the former OC Works, that have been removed. Okay. The man gave him 2 plots of land.
Okay.
And that's why they want to take my land and share the land. And now the man is now using police to take my property that belongs to me.
Wow.
And I am coming to seek assist from your office to let the world know that the police is now doing land grabbing. And the police is chasing me away from my property. And police does not respect the rule of law. So I am here to let you know, to use your office to let the world know that the police is chasing me away from my property that has judgment of court. And the police refuse to respect the rule of law. They don't want to respect the judgment of court. They are now doing land grabbing.
Okay.
They want to take the land and share the land with the man, boss and bar, who have lost in court, who has no title to the land. Even the document police gave him is showing Owerri Onitsha Road, not DSS Road.
Okay.
And the police know the documents is PF18 document, not my property lying at Onitsha after DSS, along DSS Road. And upon all the document the man brought, the man has no title. He lost in court. Please, police should respect the rule of law. Police should respect the judgment of court. Than harassing me, telling me that anybody that they saw in that land, they were arresting. But I want to use your office to draw the attention of the IG, draw the attention of the Police Service Commissioner, because Police Commissioner have stated it clearly that the police have no right to talk about land.
Exactly.
But now, you can see that police is now into land grabbing, helping somebody to drag land. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. And please, the IG and the CP of IMO State, and of course, higher authorities in the state, this is a call for you to call the police, IMO State Police Command to order to avoid clashing with the court. The court has given in judgment, and the police, as an institution that respects order, must also respect the order of the court. Thank you very much.